Welcome. This channel is about the process, discipline, and consistency, not hype. The goal today isn't to make money, it's to execute my plan. I keep my trading simple on purpose to fit my personality and my lifestyle. By eliminating noise I don't believe is necessary to succeed in the market. This is for education purpose only. Let's recap. So, got in the trade 9:55. The target just hit 10:20. So, 25 minutes in this trade. I waited for this setup an hour and a half. And let's recap so I can explain why I went bullish. So this was yesterday, like this big flag wedge here. The green line is the low of yesterday. You open here breaking. It was very confusing in the beginning when the market opened because it broke this big flag here, but since it has the low of yesterday, but it didn't touch it to retest, but it's close enough, and it looked bearish and also bullish because of the errors, because breaking this could be bearish and bouncing closer to the low of yesterday could also be a retesting and be bullish. So I was not sure, so I was waiting for if it was going to come back and retest this and breaking a pattern bullish, or break this whole area here, go to this area to the high of yesterday and give me a pattern. And I waited an hour and a half, and then I put this like a channel here. It came to retest since it never touched the low but was close enough. You never know. It's just better to be sure and wait for your setup. So I waited and it bounced, retesting the low, breaking this channel. Since this green bar closes here, I entered when this bar formed. This was my target, this was my stop, and it was like 25 minutes in this trade. So that's the trade for today. I waited for my setup, stayed patient, and executed according to my rules. Entry was clear, the risk was defined, and I exit without trying to squeeze more than the market was offering. The important part is that I didn't overtrade or change my plan after the win. I will come back tomorrow with the same focus on execution and not results. And always remember, process over profits and discipline over dopamine. Thanks for watching.